Alright, I'm Dylan and I'm going to film a bike check for you. This is a customized Fiddikin 3.5 with a teardrop bottom tube and a 20.75 top tube. I have Colt Vans grips with Eastern hollowed out barings, which were free. I have Primo Sand Squinch bars, 9-inch rise, 28.5-inch width. I have a Bitco Rasta down low stem, but it's upside down because I like the feeling of being taller on my bike. I have a Flybikes headset, which is very, very spinny, very smooth. Love it. Trying to learn bar spins and it's very helpful. Here's the Fiddikin logo. Odyssey Classic forks. You can see Odyssey right there if I didn't have my peg. It has front brake mounts, but that doesn't bother me. Still light forks. I have a Demo Momentum in the front, 2.35, and it is just beautiful. I have a Spiky. My front wheel is an Alienation Black Sheep laced with Primo spokes to a profile hub, which, hold on, is limited edition splash colors. Going down, I have a Shadow interlock chain V1, but hasn't warped or stretched on me yet, so I'm happy. Colt member sprocket, run Rasta. I like the Rasta red look. Profile cranks, you can see it right there, that's where it says profile. And Odyssey twisted pedals in orange, which just looks so awesome. Now for my back, I wish I had a second demo, but I don't. But a FitFaf white wall 2.3 laced to a Demolition Zero rim in chrome, blue nipples, Primo spokes to a Profile limited edition back hub. I have specialized pegs, which look like mongoose pegs, but they slide really, really smoothly. I have reflective tape on my bike. I used to have it on my old bars, but I don't want to ruin the fat skinny crossbar with some reflective tape on here. Alright, and let me just give you a quick hub sound. This will let me. You know what, hold on. This will be a lot easier. Don't know how well you can see that, but let me just roll it for you. Alright guys, I'm Dylan. Share this video if you like my bike. Subscribe. Send me some comments on what you want to see me do next. And also check out Adam Shreds BMX and the Viva 74. That's it. Bye.